I'm Birdie with Film Tampa Bay, and here's everything happening this week in Tampa's film scene. Greenlight Cinema and Web City Cellar are partnering up again to bring you cinema in the cellar. This month, we're watching Napoleon Dynamite on July 15th at 7 p.m. And a gentle reminder to bring your coats and blankets because it does get cold in the cellar. Come by Sunray Cinema to take a break from the heat this week. They're showing The Muppet Movie on July 16th at 11:30 a.m. The Tampa Theater is showing Monty Python and the Holy Grail for their Summer Classic series. Check out this truly classic movie on July 20th at 3 p.m. and take a look at the rest of the Summer Classics lineup on the Tampa Theater website. And finally, check out our new TikTok series, Birdie's Industry Update, where we're breaking down film industry news week by week. And don't forget to follow Film Tampa Bay so that you don't miss the Birdwatch every Monday.